Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Honda Izzy that come in. The customer says it's not running. Yes, the OPC cable is broken, so that needs to be replaced. But when I pulled it over, I heard something strange. Now, when you do this job, when you're working on machinery, you get used to hearing, oh, that sounds like this, that sounds like that. Yeah, that noise is possibly related to that thing. And I pulled this over and I'm like, what the hell is that? See if I can get it to, you can hear it. Pop, 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 pop. And I thought, what is that? I've never heard that noise before. Then I had a quick look and I'll show you what the problem is and what was making that noise. Now, on the side of the engine, there's this little hole here. Well, what's that for? Well, there's a pipe that was missing off of it, and yeah, the machine's been used and abused. I'll blow that out, but that fits in there. Well, what does that do? That's the breather for the engine. So you're hearing what the engine's doing, and it's coming out there, and normally gets muffled by this pipe that goes into here and recycles any gases that are blown past the engine. Now I've inserted the pipe in there and cleared a bit away of the muck. Let's see if it still makes that sound. So let's see if it's making that little noise whenever I pulled it over. Oh, the noise is gone. So that's that mystery solved. So, what other noises that you've come across that seem something which you haven't normally heard before? Leave your notes in the comments. Take care folks, and see you next video. Bye. Could I time that more perfectly?